In a quiet room filled with whirring wheels and falling weights, something invisible was about to change forever. Manchester, 1847. The air smells of oil and damp wood. Steam engines roar outside, powering factories that seem almost alive, devouring coal and spitting out motion. To most people, energy is a mystery. Heat, motion, force. Separate things, loosely understood, barely connected. No one can explain where it truly comes from or where it goes when it disappears. Inside this modest laboratory stands James Joule. Not a famous professor, not a man backed by institutions, just a brewer's son with a stubborn question echoing in his mind. What if nothing is ever truly lost? He builds a strange device. A falling weight turns paddles inside a container of water, over and over again. The room is quiet except for the soft splash, the creak of rope, the steady rhythm of gravity at work. Joule leans in, watching a thermometer with almost unbearable focus. The water warms, not much, just a fraction of a degree, but Joule repeats the experiment, again and again, each time the same result. Motion becomes heat, predictably, precisely, as if following a hidden rule written into the fabric of reality. Here's the unsettling part. The numbers always match. The energy lost by the falling weight appears, perfectly accounted for as heat in the water. Nothing vanishes. Nothing appears from nowhere. It only changes form. At first, no one listens. The scientific world is still divided. Some believe heat is a mysterious fluid called caloric. Others think motion and heat are unrelated. Joule's claim that energy is conserved, that the universe keeps perfect books, sounds too simple, too radical. But the evidence keeps piling up. Heat becomes motion. Motion becomes work. Work becomes heat again. A closed loop. An unbreakable balance. Then the realization lands like a thunderclap. Every engine, every flame, every beating heart obeys the same law. Energy cannot be created. Energy cannot be destroyed. It can only transform. This wasn't just a scientific discovery. It was a new way of seeing reality. Suddenly, the universe feels less chaotic and far more profound. From stars burning in distant galaxies to muscles tightening in your hand right now, everything is part of one continuous exchange. A silent agreement that has never been broken. James Joule didn't just measure heat. He revealed the rule that keeps the cosmos honest. And once humanity understood that, there was no going back. If this story sparked something in you, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment with the discovery that changed how you see the world. And help this channel keep uncovering the hidden rules behind our reality.